All right, let's get this over with. Page 1, or rather, the Don't Be a Complete Idiot section. No power tools, because apparently, you can't be trusted with anything more complex than a spoon. Get a partner, unless you want to spend the next 3 hours crying in a pile of particle board. And for the love of all that's holy, check your parts. Don't call IKEA asking where the thingamajig is when you haven't even opened the box. Seriously, is this really that hard to grasp? Here it is, your grand challenge. Matching little pictures to little objects. This is the parts list, a revolutionary concept where you confirm you actually received everything IKEA promised you. Pro tip, don't lose these. You'll blame IKEA, but it's always your fault. Count them up. Try not to confuse the screws with your hopes and dreams. It's not a scavenger hunt. It's quality control for adults. Mostly. Before you even think about touching a tool, decide, left or right chaise. It's a big decision, a crucial moment. Mess this up, and you'll have a lopsided abomination that defies both logic and comfort. The manual gives you a helpful hint, a little eye for information, implying you might actually need to think. Spoilers, most of you won't. Just pick one, commit, and pray you chose wisely. Okay, we're actually starting. Open the box, pull out the covers. See how it shows a human doing it? That's you. If you need a manual to figure out how to unwrap fabric, just stop now. Then, the first big reveal, unfolding the base. It's like a magic trick, except the magic is that you manage to do it without breaking anything. Just follow the numbers. 1, 2, 3. It's literally counting. Time for the backrest. See those dowels? They go into those holes. Revolutionary, I know. Then you're dealing with the actual clever part, the lifting mechanism. Don't trap your fingers unless you enjoy pain. Tighten those bolts. You'll hear a click if you manage to do it right. If you don't hear it, you probably didn't, so try again. It's not rocket science, but for some of you, it might as well be. More bolts. And a bracket. You're securing the frame now, making sure your future naps aren't punctuated by sudden collapses. Use the right screw, don't cross-thread it, and actually tighten it. It's not a suggestion, it's a requirement. Then, the grand maneuver of flipping the module over. Try not to drop it. Or yourself. Your back will thank you, probably. Now for the main event, joining the pieces. Carefully align, then slide them together. It's like a clumsy dance, but with furniture. Then, more bolts, naturally. This isn't a suggestion, it's how you ensure this thing doesn't spontaneously disassemble when you sit on it. Pay attention to the diagram. Are those two tiny people actually helping, or just pointing and laughing at your struggle? Probably both. Just when you thought you were done with backrests, here's another one. Same song, second verse. Dowels, holes, slide, secure. Don't worry, it's not a trick. It's just IKEA's way of testing if you can replicate a simple task. And look, another helpful little eye telling you which screws not to use. Because apparently, just follow the pictures is too abstract for your advanced intellect. Time to give this monster some feet. Screw them in. Yes, screw them. Don't just place them there. And then the corner brackets. These are important. They hold the whole L shape together. If you skip this, your couch will sag like your enthusiasm for this project. Use the right screws, the ones that don't have a big red X over them. It's not rocket science, but I've seen you struggle with a doorknob. Almost there, champ. Now for the casters, those little wheels that let you pull out the bed. Don't get them backwards. It's a wheeled frame, not a decorative brick. And those side attachment pieces? Crucial. They ensure your pulling action doesn't rip the whole thing apart. Follow the arrows. Seriously, these diagrams are practically talking to you. If you still mess this up, you're beyond help. Congratulations, you've assembled a thing. Now, put the cushions on. They just sit there. Amazing, right? And then, the grand reveal of its functionality. Pulling it out into a bed. Look at that. It transforms. If it doesn't, you probably skipped 5 steps and bolted a cushion to the ceiling. So, enjoy your FRIHETEN, which you've only mostly ruined. You're welcome.